Hello students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we have seen some exercise problems of exercise 5.3 up to 7 sums. Today, in this video, we are going to learn how to do the solution of next two sums of exercise 5.3. Let's recall the formulae. If a straight line passing through y-intercept with slope m, then the equation of the straight line by slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. Next formula, if a straight line passing through the point x1, y1 with slope m, then the equation of the straight line by point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Next formula, if a straight line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the equation of the straight line by 2-point form y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. If a straight line passing through the x coordinate and y coordinate, then the equation of the straight line by intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. These are the important formulas to find the equation of the straight. Let us see the 8th sum in exercise 5.3. See the question. A cat is located at the point minus 6, minus 4 in xy plane. A bottle of milk is kept at 5, 11. The cat wishes to consume the milk traveling through shortest possible distance. Find the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. In this question, cat located point and milk kept point are given. We have to find the equation of shortest possible distance. In solution, first you have to draw the 4 quadrant and mark the given points. First point minus 6, minus 4, it's lie on the third quadrant, minus 6, minus 4. Then second point 5, 11 lie on the first quadrant, 5, 11. 5, 11. Let us assume this point A, it is the cat located point. And next point lie on the first quadrant, it is bottle of milk located point. students, always you have to remember that straight line only make a shortest distance. So, you have to find the equation of this straight line. Which formula you have to apply here? Yes, 2-point formula. That is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Let us do the solution. Let the given points be a minus 6 comma minus 4 and b 5 comma 11 by the 2-point form. The equation of the straight line is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Now, you have to apply these points in this formula, means we get the equation of the straight line. Let us assume this point x1, y1, x2, y2. Now you have to apply these points in this formula, that is y minus y1, y minus y1 minus 4, so minus into minus plus 4 by y2 minus y1 11 minus into minus plus 4 is equal to x minus x1, x1 minus 6, so minus into minus plus 6 by x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus into minus plus 6. Now, you have to simplify this, means we get y plus 4 by 11 plus 4, 15 is equal to x plus 6 by 5 plus 6, 11. Cross multiply this, means we get 11 into y plus 4 is equal to 15 into x plus 6. That is 11 into y, 11y plus 11 into 4, 44 is equal to 15 into x, 15x plus 15 into 6, 90. You need x term positive, so transpose this term after the equal, means we get 0 is equal to 15x minus 11y plus 90 minus 44, that is 15x minus 11y plus 90 minus 44. Subtract means we get 46 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the required straight line. Now take down and write the answer. Hence, the equation of the path it needs to take its milk. Yes. 15x minus 11y plus 46 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the next sum. See the question. Find the equation of the median and altitude of triangle ABC through A, where the vertex A 6, 2, B minus 5, minus 1 and C 1, 9. Here we have to find two equations. One is the equation of median, passing through the point A, and another one is the equation of the altitude passing through the point A. Let us see the solution. You have to draw a triangle A, B, C. A point 6, 2, minus 5, minus 1, B point, C point 1, 9. Median means first you draw the midpoint of the line BC. It is opposite of the vertex A. Let us assume this midpoint D. It is X, Y. Now you have to join AD. It is median of the line through A. Here D is the midpoint of the line BC. So first you have to find the D point by using the midpoint formula, and then you have to apply 2-point form, means we get the equation of this line. Let us do the solution. First we have to do the solution of median. Take down and write the given points. The vertices of triangle ABC are A 6, 2, B minus 5, minus 1, and C 1, 9. Let D X, Y be the midpoint of the line BC. Next you write the midpoint formula. Mx, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now you have to apply these points in this formula, means we get the point D. That is dx, y is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 minus 5, x2 1. So minus 5 plus 1 by 2, y1 plus y2. y1 minus 1, y2 9. So minus 1 plus 9 by 2. Now you have to simplify this, means we get minus 4 by 2, 8 by 2. Cancelling this by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, the point dx, y is equal to minus 2, 4. Next you have to find the equation of the straight line AD. The equation of a straight line passing through the point or joining the point. The equation of a straight line joining the points A 6, 2 and D minus 2, 4 yes. Let us assume this point x1, y1, x2, y2. By the 2-point form, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Now, you have to apply the a point and d point in this formula, means we get y minus, here y1 is plus 2, so y minus 2 by y2 minus y1. Here 4, y2 is 4 and y1 is 2, so 4 minus 2 is equal to x minus x1. Here x1 is 6. So x minus 6 by x2 minus x1. That is minus 2 minus 6. Now you have to simplify this, means we get y minus 2 by 4 minus 2 is equal to x minus 6 by minus 2 minus 6, we get minus 8. Cross multiply this, means minus 8 into y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 6. That is minus 8 into y minus 8y minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16 is equal to 2 into x 2x, 2 into minus 6 minus 12. We need x term positive, so transpose this term after the equal. Then we get 2x plus 8y minus 12 minus 16 is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 8y minus 12 minus 16, we get minus 28 is equal to 0. Here 2 is a common factor. So you take out 2, means we get 2 into x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation is x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to, transpose this 2 after the equal, means it becomes 0 divided by 2, that is 0. So, the equation is x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the median. Take down and write the answer. Hence, the equation of the median is x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. Next, you have to find the equation of the altitude. For this also you draw a triangle. Let us assume A, B, C, A point 6, 2, B point minus 5, minus 1, C point 1, 9. C point 1, 9. Here you have to draw the altitude line, that is, from the vertex A, you have to draw a vertical line. It makes an angle 90 degree. It is perpendicular to the line BC. Let us assume this point D. Here, D is not a midpoint of the line BC, but AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. So, you have to apply the perpendicular condition. That is, first you have to find the slope of BC, that is M1. Next you have to find the slope of AD, that is M2. Then you have to use the formula by slope point form, means we get the equation of the line AD. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given points. The vertices of triangle ABC, A 6, 2, B -5, -1, C 1, 9. Let AD be the altitude of triangle ABC. Next you have to find slope of the line BC is M1. First you have to write the slope formula. What is the slope formula? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is M1 is equal to, here B point -5, -1, C point 1, 9. Let us assume this point x1, y1, x2, y2. That is y2 minus y1, 9, minus into minus plus 1 by x2 minus x1, 1, minus into minus plus 5. That is equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 5, 6. Now you have to cancel by 2 table, means we get 3, 5. Therefore, slope of the line BC, that is M1 is equal to 5 by 3. But we need the slope of the line AD. So, since AD perpendicular BC, therefore M1 into M2 is equal to -1. It is M1 is 5 by 3 into M2 is equal to -1. Slope M2 is equal to -1 into 3 by 5. Multiply this, means we get minus 3 by 5. Now we have the slope of AD, that is -3 by 5. The equation of the line AD is by point slope form. Point slope form. What is the formula for point slope form? Yes, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here the line passing through the point A6, 2, A6, 2 and m, that is slope m is minus 3 by 5. Now you have to apply this, means we get, let us assume this x1, y1. Y minus y1 2 is equal to slope minus 3 by 5 into x minus x1, 6. Now cross multiply this, means we get 5 into y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 6. We get 5 into y, 5y. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into minus 6 plus 80. We need x term positive. So, transpose this term before the equal, means we get 3x plus 5y minus 10 minus 18 is equal to 0. 3, that is 3x plus 5y minus 10 minus 18 minus 28 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the required straight line. Take down and write the answer. Hence, the equation of the altitude is 3x plus 5y minus 28 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Okay students, today homework. See this question. The vertices of a triangle ABC are A2, 1, B minus 2, 3 and C 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex A. In this question, triangle ABC vertices are given. We have to find the equation of median through vertex A. Then you have to apply the midpoint and find the midpoint of the line BC. Then you have to apply the 2-point formula, means we get the equation of the median through the vertex A. See the next question. The vertices of triangle ABC are A2, 1, B6, minus 1 and C4, 11. Find the equation of the straight line along the altitude from the vertex A. Here we have to find the equation of the altitude. B, remember, altitude means you have to find the slope and median means you have to find the midpoint. So first you have to find the slope of BC and then you apply the perpendicular condition, means we get a slope of AD. Next you have to use the formula slope point form, means we get the equation of the altitude of triangle ABC. Try to do and do it properly. Thank you.